Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 36. The gradient of the line joining points x, 4 and points 1, 2. That is, x, 4 is the coordinate of a point and 1, 2 is the coordinate of the other point. So the gradient of the line joining these 2 points is 1/2. Now we are asked to find the value of this x here. So since we know that gradient m is equals to 1/2 and m is giving us y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Now from here, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So the gradient is 1/2, so we can say 1/2 is equals to y2, which is 2, minus y1, 4, all over x2, which is 1, minus x1, which is x. So when we cross multiply, now, we have 1 minus x is equals to 2 into 2 minus 4. Now 1 minus x is equals to 2 multiplied by minus 2. Now 1 minus x is equals to minus 4. Now from here we have that minus x is equals to minus 4 minus 1, and that is equals to minus 5. So now we have minus x is equals to minus 5. Let's divide both sides by minus 1. So we have x is equal to 5. Minus we cancel minus, minus we cancel minus. So x is equals to 5, and that is option D. X is equals to 5. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on past question.